Hello students, welcome to today's session. So in this session we are going to see about sensor technology. So IoT and machine to machine applications need a large magnitude of data which is generated from a large number of devices, ATMs, sensors at parking slots, health devices in ICUs, machines in industrial plants, embedded components in automobiles, RFIDs or wireless sensor networks. So IoT and machine to machine data is generated using these systems. So data is generated using sensors, embedded devices and systems at the physical layer in the IoT architecture. So thereafter the data communicates through the data link, data adaptation, network, application support and application layers to the application of IoT. So here control systems uses the sensor for monitoring and the actuators for action. So data is used for analytics, visualization, intelligence and knowledge discovery or controls and monitoring. So we are going to see a sensor technology in detail. So sensor technology, it is a technology which is used for designing the sensors and associated electronic readers, circuits and devices. So here this technology is for sensing the real world using analog and digital sensors and examples for sensing devices for IoT and machine to machine. So a sensor which can sense the change in physical parameters. So the physical parameters called the sensors, a change in physical parameters. The physical parameters are temperature, pressure, light intensity, metal proximity to an object, acceleration, orientation, location, vibrations, smell, organic vapors or gases and smoke in proximity. So a microphone senses the voice and changes in the sound and it is used to record voice or music. So here the sensor which acts as a transducer. So sensor which converts the physical energy like heat, sound, strain, pressure, vibrations and motions into electrical energy. So here the voice and changes in the sound and it is used to record voice or a music. So electronic circuits which is connected to the input at a sensor. So this is the electronic circuits, the connecting to the input at the sensor. The circuit input receives the output of a sensor or a transducer. The circuit output variation is according to the variation in the physical condition. So next about the sensor circuit, it receives the energy in forms of variations in the currents, voltages and their phase angles or frequencies. So sensors measures the variations in the parameter with respect to a reference or a normal condition and provide the value of sensed parameter after an appropriate calculation. So here it compares with the level, reference level. So by comparing with that reference level, it gives the output and for the appropriate calculations. So here the physical parameter variation with the physical condition at a sensor. So here the for example we are taking a microcontroller with the oscillator which is connected to a serial port interface which is having ADC, diode signal conditioning, amplifier and capacitance bridge and it is connected to a sensor capacitance. Sensor object is a part of capacitive bridge. So here C of a sensor object is part of a capacitive bridge. So the associated computing devices calculates the proximity distance in case 1 and touched position in case 2. So as well as the successful variations. So microcontroller is a computing device which reads the input at its ports and saves the input at the memory and then uses the data for communication over the internet. So here the microcontroller electronic port which is connected to the interface and sub-circuits and receiving input from the sensor capacitance. So capacitive sensor. Okay. So this is the here it receives the input. So whose capacitance value is varying with the relative humidity of air and circuit sensing the variation in relative humidity. So the bridge consisting of sensor object, that is the capacitance, and 3 fixed capacitors, that is standard capacitors. So it shows the microcontroller based electronic circuit with port connected to 4 subcircuits, serial port interface, ADC, signal conditioning amplifier, diode and capacitance bridge. So here the smart sensor. So smart sensor which includes the electronic component, okay, that is the electronic circuits within itself. So and includes computing and communication capabilities. So a sensors within a built-in integrated circuits, that is microcontroller and sensor, to directly give the output as physical parameter on giving input, supply voltages and other signals as a commands. So here the smart sensors examples. The smart sensor for a temperature giving output in terms of hexadecimal digit as 10 UART serial bits, that is universal asynchronous receiver transmitter serial communication, which gives a serial bits according to temperature in degree Celsius. So here the smart sensors examples. So smart sensor for temperature giving output in terms of hexadecimal digit has 10 UART serial bits, that is a universal asynchronous receiver transmission. So it serial communication, it sends the serial bits according to temperature in degree Celsius. For example, the 100 degree Celsius means 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So and then for 36 degree Celsius, so 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So for 36 degree Celsius. So after taking this calibration coefficient, which are also into account. So here the relative humidity in terms of x digits as 10 UART serial bits after computations as per the temperature of measurement. So for RH 60%, it is value is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So next the sensing the change of a state. So here sensor circuits sensings 0 or 1 as per one of the two states. So 0 means low, 1 means high. So the change of state, for example, a light to darkness or a finger touch or a proximity or for sensor, and then completion of a revolution of a wheel or tire pressure which is below threshold or above the threshold. So this is changing the state with respect to 0 or 1. So the change of state with respect to reference or normal condition which senses the states in the form of zeros and ones in digital sensors. So analog sensors measures the variations in the parameters with respect to a reference or normal condition and provide the value of sensed parameters after appropriate calculations. So the circuit receives energy in form of variations through currents, voltages, phase angles or frequencies. So here the integrated multi-parameter sensor board kit. So it has a Bosch XDK 110 developed kit which includes devices, that is 8 number of micro electromechanical systems, that is MEMS, which includes accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope coupled with relative humidity, pressure and temperature and acoustic and digital light sensors. So this is the integrated multi-parameter sensor board kit which is developed by Bosch. So here the sensing the real world. So electronic components can function as sensors. So sensors are electronic devices that sense the physical environment. So sensor is an electronic device in a circuit that senses a physical environment or a condition. So sensors send signal to an electronic circuits which interconnects to a serial port interface at a microcontroller or controller or computing device. So sensor which specifies a physical condition, sensor senses a physical condition when that exhibits the measurable change in a characteristic circuit parameter on the change in the specific condition, physical condition or environment. So for example, a temperature sensor senses the changes in the temperature when that exhibits the measurable change in a characteristic circuit parameter, that is a resistance. So example, the sensors in mobile phones. So mobile phones uses a number of sensors such as finger touch sensor and gesture via a sensor on a touch screen. So smartphones have resistive and capacitive sensors, both resistive and capacitive sensors, photodiode current based sensors, acceleration, gyroscope, temperature and pressure sensors. So the sensors which enables the functioning of applications and games. So you can find what are all the sensors which is available in your smartphones. You can install CPU Z, so which is an Android app. You can download the Android app and install it. After installing, you open the app, so it shows the what are all the hardwares in your mobile phone will be able to be shown with the help of the CPU EZ software. So far we have seen about the sensor technology and the physical parameter sensing with the transducer which acts as a sensor, and then electronic circuit for the sensor, and then physical parameter variation with the physical condition of the sensor, and smart sensor with examples,